So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? And you would prefer a new, modern home centrally located within the Las Vegas Valley. But you're not sure if that option even exists, as most new homes sit on the outer edge of the valley. Well, then this video is for you, because we're gonna discuss the brand new intimate community of Oasi by Blue Heron. We're gonna take you through a show home and discuss the various options available to you. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. When you think of luxury, new modern communities in the Las Vegas Valley, areas of Summerlin, Henderson, and Southern Highlands typically come to mind first. However, what if I told you you could buy a brand new, lavish home minutes from the Las Vegas Strip, Reed International Airport, and famed Green Valley Master Plan community in the city of Henderson? Well, proof is right behind me that you can. Welcome to Oasi, a gated, affluent, contemporary community built by one of the top developers in all of Las Vegas. None other than Blue Heron. It's located right off of Pecos Road, just north of Warm Springs Road. This stunning development is literally 1 block away from Green Valley, which means you have easy access to all that wonderful master plan community offers, including award-winning schools. More on that later in this video. As Blue Heron puts it, Oasi is a modern rendition of a golden era. The community is named after an oasis on which Las Vegas was founded, infusing this nostalgia of the city's past with its future. Cutting-edge modern designs, a curated selection of finishes, and an innovative structural possibilities allow for a personalized home experience as unique as your lifestyle. Drawing inspiration from the native desertscape, yet prioritizing architectural innovation, Oasi represents every era of Las Vegas's storied past. Third-level sky decks, internally focused courtyards, and seamless indoor-outdoor living experience brings to life an oasis that once was a barren desert. The community consists of 24 half-acre home sites on 3 separate, what's going to be quiet cul-de-sacs. You can see some of the empty lots that haven't been started construction yet right over here beyond my shoulder. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos, especially on new construction communities, you know how rare it is to find a new home on a half-acre lot in a planned community. And to no one's surprise, these homes are selling quickly with only 7 lots remaining. There are 4 custom models to choose from. You have the Valet, which is a single-story home that is 3,828 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 baths, with pricing starting at $1,879,275. Then there is the Haven model, which is also a single-story home, and that model is located right over here behind me. It is up to 4,390 square feet with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 to 4.5 baths. Pricing for the Haven starts at $1,959,275. Then there's the Cresta, which is 2 stories and built up to 5,887 square feet with 4 to 7 bedrooms, 4.5 to 7.5 baths. And pricing starts at $2,159,275. And lastly, there is the Sancta, which is the largest model and is 2 stories, I should say, and up to 6,529 square feet, which is 4 to 9 bedrooms and 5.5 to 9.5 baths, with pricing starting at $2,259,275. And I wanted to point out that the Sancta model is pretty much the Haven model, but with a 2nd story on top. All homes include a 4-car garage with the option to add an additional detached 2-car garage on home sites that allow. Then there are detached casitas or even a double casita option with a full bath and walk-in closet. An optional attached covered patio may be also added to the casita. Then there are covered courtyards with the option to add additional covered patios, decks, and sky decks. Then there are 3 elevations to choose from per home. All 3 elevations include a front yard landscape design exclusive to the selected elevation. Then there's those sky decks that I mentioned about that provide panoramic views of the surrounding mountain vistas with opportunities for strip views. There's a full automation system of your lights, surround sound, thermostat, sliding doors, and more. The HOA is $200 per month, which includes maintenance of the gate, the all common area, landscape area, the streets, and the decorative perimeter wall. The half-acre lot premiums, again, the half-acre lots you can see right over here behind me that they're working on, range in price from $375,000 up to $800,000. You know, Blue Heron also offers a full backyard customization services, which include optional pools that can be built during the build-out of the home and can also be financed, as well as interior design services with a personalized creation experience for a true turnkey option. So let's go tour the Sancta model to get an idea of the incredible possibilities that are available to you should you decide to call Oasis your future home. And the Sancta model is located right over here beyond my shoulder. Well, what did you think of that home? Let me know in the comments. You know, Oasi's central location puts you minutes away from literally everything Las Vegas and Henderson has to offer. Reed International Airport is just 8 minutes west of here. The Strip is 13 minutes away. How about shopping? Do you love to shop? Town Square is 11 minutes away. Then there's the District at Green Valley Ranch, just 10 minutes south of here. And the Galleria Mall is 11 minutes. There are over 300 stores at these shopping centers combined that will definitely keep you very busy. There are grocery stores such as Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and Vons that are less than 10 minutes away, as well as other commercial centers for all of your daily necessities as a stone's throw away. There are 10 parks within a 10-minute drive, highlighted by Sunset, Green Valley, Silver Springs, Fox Ridge, and a Royal Grande Sports Complex. The recreation options are plentiful. There are also 2 Station Casino resorts 10 minutes away in separate directions. There's a Green Valley Ranch Resort and Spa 10 minutes south of here, and then there's Sunset Station east of here. Both feature affordable accommodations, fine and casual dining, a movie theater, bowling alley, gaming, concerts, and shows. How about golf? There's the Wild Horse Golf Club, just 3 blocks away from here on Warm Springs Road. There's the Legacy Golf Club 8 minutes south of here, and Rio Seco Golf Club 17 minutes away in Seven Hills. How about, are you looking to catch a professional sporting event or concert? You've got Allegiant Stadium and T-Mobile Arena that is 13 minutes away, and Lee's Family Forum in Henderson, just 11 minutes south of here. Lastly, this community is easily accessible to the 215 Beltway, 15 and 11 freeways, which makes commuting to other parts of the Las Vegas Valley very manageable. You would be hard-pressed to find another community in the Las Vegas Valley with this type of accessibility to everything I just mentioned. And this wasn't even an inclusive list. I hit upon it earlier, but I wanted to expand further. You know, a tremendous advantage to this community being located 1 block from Green Valley in the city of Henderson is that it's zoned for Green Valley's high-performing schools. The Clark County schools include Nate Mack Elementary, Greenspun Middle School, Green Valley High School, and Southeast Career Technical Academy, which is also a high school. In addition to these public schools, Oasi is close to a few prominent private and charter schools, highlighted by Coral Academy of Science Las Vegas, the Windmill Campus, which is a middle school, and then you have Green Valley Christian, a K-12 school as well. So you definitely have excellent choices as to what school may best suit your child's needs the best. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of Oasi, one of the most sought after new affluent communities in Las Vegas. Whether you're a family looking for a safe and nurturing environment, a professional seeking proximity to Las Vegas, or someone who values outdoor recreation, Oasi has something to offer absolutely everyone. So I hope you enjoyed it and found this video beneficial. Please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Oasi checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right luxury Las Vegas community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assist in getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Las Vegas. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.